welcome back to my channel. Today we have our Boxycharm unboxing. This is Boxycharm for the month of August 2019. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription and it's like $21 a month, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products sent to your door each month. And let's just hop right into it. The first thing I'm pulling out is the little pamphlet that we get each month. This month it says Totally Boxycharm. On the back it has a list of everything in your box. And what variation? Oh, I got variation number 2. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This retails for $42. It says it is a multitasking beauty elixir, instantly hydrates, absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes, primes the skin to help restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. We get quite a bit from Wander Beauty, actually. This is what the dropper end looks like. I was expecting it to be clear for some reason. That is what it looks like. There's an old swatch on my hand. Actually, that looks really nice. It's just kind of absorbed. Kind of smells like, I don't know, some kind of soap. So that is the first thing. The second thing I'm pulling out is by Tarte. It is the Big Ego Mascara. This retails for $23. It says it's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So I love trying new mascaras. Ooh, that is like a super hot pink. I love the packaging. Ooh, and the wand looks like the kind of wands that I like. It's big and bushy. So we will be excited to try this out. The next item I'm pulling out is by Laurent. It is a lip liner. This retails for $15. It says reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is totally magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. Let's do a swatch. Oh, actually it feels pretty creamy, and it looks like a nice nude shade, so I'll definitely use that. The next thing I have here, we have 2 shadows here by Ace Beauty. They are Glimmer Shadow Duo. Cannot talk today. It says high pigmented soft shadows with creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. These retail for $25. I'm assuming that's $25 for the both of them. So I got shade Cotton Candy and Iced Latte. Let's do Cotton Candy first. It looks like a really pretty pink, peachy, orangey. It might be like a duochrome. It looks really pretty. I don't know if it's focusing here. It feels exactly like ColourPop, the Super Shock. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks stunning. It has a total duochrome shift to it, from like pink to like this corally orange color. It is so stunning. Okay, now I'm really excited to try Iced Latte, which looks like this beautiful gold shade. Look at the, oh my goodness. Look how stunning those are. Yes. I am, oh yeah, we gotta do a look using these. All right, those are awesome. The last thing in my box is, I'm the most excited for. It is by Becca. It is the Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for silky smooth, invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. This retails for $39. This out. This is the packaging. Need the powder. Okay, I'm totally excited to try this. I'm looking for a powder brush because, you know, I'm going to try this on. It's supposed to feel like wet. I'm knocking everything over. So it comes, you open up this little protector and it's in there, and there's a mesh piece in there. So I'm going to put a little bit onto my brush here. Oh my goodness. It does actually feel cold and wet. That is wild. Oh my goodness. Like, it feels, when you're pushing it into your skin, it feels wet. My brush isn't wet though. That's wild. I love that. All right, guys, so that was everything in this month's Boxycharm box. I will add everything up and leave the grand total of the box right here. That is how much everything is worth retail value, and we only paid 21 bucks. So, all in all, I'm extremely happy with this month's box, and I do believe next month, September, is the Boxyluxe edition that we get. So, I'm stoked for that. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, hope you all have a fabulous day.